wayay kuryente. Since kaya ina alas 10 as 10 or alas 11 may kuryente guys, so di katulog. Sabi kaya init sa panahon, and then kung bibulog at tulog. Natis sasari mo doon. It's not food. Just play, anak. Don't bite it, okay? Okay. Mama will get tissue. Stay there, ha? Mama will get tissue, anak. Say hello. It's not food. So, panibalik among kuryente. What time is it now? Alauna na kapin. Alauna 31. Hi. So, nag-play rakan kami. We're playing at the moment. With Honey Chin. My cute baby love. Like Honey Chin. Oops. Don't show your diaper to them. It's not. This is a tissue, anak. Tissue paper. Okay? Katawanan naman si mama, ha? It's powder. It's a powder. Okay? It's a powder. This is your wipes. Okay? This is your wipes. Love you. Nakna? Love you. Up! No. It's not food. It's not food lang. Anything na imo tagutan, mahang kauna no. Bye-bye na. Up! Aray, up! Pirate. Bye-bye na, guys. Bye-bye. Pagyapoy kuryente. Dan dyan ay kuryente ko.